is growing worse and worse. Even today's New York Times story on the financial section explains that in Britain, which is the story today, it is getting worse and worse and worse, and no one quite knows. The British pound, which was $2, $2 to get a pound a few months ago, is now less than $1.50, which is a sign of the British situation. It may well be the end for Britain. It may be the end of the British position. You know, they were a great global power like other countries sometimes are. And then the decline began, and it started in the end of the 19th century, and it traveled across the 20th century. And as we enter the 21st century, no one knows. The thing that kept Britain alive in the last 30 years was the fact that we had a financial boom. London is one of the great financial centers of the world, maybe the greatest. So with finance booming, London could take off and could carry Britain. With the financial sector going down, when the market turns bad, the badness spreads. Not to put too fine a point on it, there really isn't anything in Britain. It really, think a minute, it's a small, unfertile, cold, wet, offshore island from Europe. We just are used to the British Empire, and so we think like that, particularly the United States, a former colony. But there's nothing there. If they can't run financial hustle, they're going to be exporters of bangers and mash. And if you've ever eaten that, you can see there's no future there.